Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a simple healthy hydration drink made with chia seeds, strawberries and mint leaves. I'll also be adding some pulp from blueberries. Let's get started. First I'm going to slice the strawberries. Chia seeds for 5 minutes. Now I'm going to stir that. Did you know that chia seeds are highly nutritious and have antioxidants and are easy to incorporate into your diet? I let that soak for 5 minutes. Next, we're going to put the strawberries and mint together and mash them together. I'm going to mash it. I'm going to add the chia seed water. I'm going to mix them together now. I'm going to give it one last stir and draw. I'm going to add a straw. For a refreshing drink, add some cold ice. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, subscribe and leave a comment below the video. Bye!